Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about add and remove title for chart. Let's get started. First, click on the chart. Then click on the Design tab. Next, click on Add Chart Element. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Chart Title. A sub-menu will appear. Click on None if you wish to remove the chart title. For this scenario, click above Chart. A placeholder for the chart title will appear. Click on the placeholder and then type the chart title. And now the chart title is inserted above the chart. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.